Hello friends, it's me Ahad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ahad Beauty World. Today in this video I want to share with you how to white your teeth, how to make white your teeth. So in this remedy it was very helpful our teeth whitening remedies. So I hope friends don't skip this video until full video. So first I need orange peel. Orange peel is a very good beneficial our teeth. It has a lot of helpful remedy. Suppose second we cut it small pieces for orange peel. Then second I need ginger. Ginger it has very good helpful our teeth whitening. Last and third I need lemon juice. Lemon juice has vitamin C. It will be cleaning your teeth. So we have mixes well very well in this remedy. Mixes oil, we have to very good mixes oil. Ready for use in this remedy. So last I need one fresh brush, and I hope every day apply this remedy on your teeth. 3 or 4 weeks apply this remedy in this good result. So okay, look at this. This is this try again every day. So I hope you will be good result. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe now friends.